Hello guys, for today's laboratory exercise number 4, which is routing protocol and basic NAN configuration. Of course, ha we need to open our Cisco packet tracer for the activity. Okay. In this activity, we will use the PCs for our end devices. Okay. We are talking about routing. Why routing is important to networking? Well, it is important because it allows our end devices here to communicate with our end devices here in the other network. Okay, that is the routing. Okay, so we will add our network device. We will add one hub here. So we will make sure that these three end devices here have their own different IP address. So in the last activity, I already showed how to add IP address in our end devices. So let's start with the PC0. So you have to go to the config or desktop here. So you can see here we have the IP configuration. Okay, so we're in the static. We'll have the 192.8.1.1 and the subnet mask. Subnet mask is automatically populated. So because of the subnet mask and the IP address, you can determine that you are in a LAN connection, or you are in a LAN network here. Okay, let's proceed to the other two PCs. Okay, so we need to connect our three PCs in our hub here. I will use automatically connect. Okay, automatically choose connection type for faster connection. 1, 2, and 3. See, we have our star topology here. So then I will add our two routers, so that's why it's called routing. So for the routing, we will need to have a router. So why is router important? Why not switch? Why not hubs to do the routing? So well, router have the capability to forward data within the different computer networks. So switch and hubs is simply just connecting end devices. So that is the role of the routers. That is the computing device or network device that forwards data to other computer networks. So let's add our router. So go to network devices here, and the router for this activity I will use the 1841 router. Okay, so let's start to configure this router. So config. Okay, let's wait for the device to start. Okay, it's already starting. So this one will be, I will name it Cisco 1 or Cisco 1. For the host name, it will be Cisco underscore 1. Excuse me. Then for the connection, we'll use 1 and 2, 1.1, and make sure our port status is on. Excuse me. So I will close it. Then while the router is selected, I will copy it, then paste. So basically it has the same configuration. I will just rename this one with copy. Okay, paste it. Okay, so I will connect my hub to our first router. So I will use automatically connection type. Then as you can see, it is already connected with our hub. So we will connect our two routers using the serial DCE. Okay, so select serial DCE. As you can see, we need to have our serial connection here. So how do we do that? We will go to our, we will add the serial connection here. So we will go to physical, then I will add modules here in this slot. So these are our modules. I will use the WIC-1T. So how do we install a serial port? Just like in a real world, we will have to turn it off, then drag our serial port to this slot and turn it on again and close. We will do the same with the other router here. So physical WIC-1T, turn it off, install your serial port in this slot, then turn it on again and close. We can now connect the two routers using our serial DCE. So one serial 0 and serial 0. So as you will notice, we have a red light, meaning it is not connected. So let's check how to config. Okay, you see the configuration is not here already, so we will reconfigure it. So make sure your port status is on, then 2.168.1.1. For the serial, I will use 1 and 2.1, then turn it on. See, connected already. So the same with this one. Config serial 8.2.1. Okay, it's already connected. Okay, since we have two routers connected already, we can already add another network or LAN connection here with the different subnet mask or IP addresses here. So let me show you. I have here some example. So I will open my other desktop. Four. Okay, so as you will see, I have here two different network LAN connection. So as you can see here in my network 1, we have a default gateway which is 192.168.201.254. Every PCs have their unique address, and the subnet mask for my network 1 is subnet is 255.255.255.0, meaning we have our different LAN connection here, and in my network 2 I have my default gateway 172.16.0.1, and the same with the network 1. My end devices in network 2 have their different IP address, and my subnet mask in my network 2 is 255.255.0.0. So these two are very different LAN connection here, but it can communicate with one network device in my network 1 to my network 2 end device. So how do we check if it is connected? So to check if it is this PC0 is communicating with the PC3 in my network 2, I will use this envelope here. Okay, we'll first go here. See, you will see here the status is successful, meaning it is connected. PC0 to router 0. Okay, so from my router 0 going to my router 1, it is connected. So routing is allowing is the process that allow our end devices from other network to connect or to communicate with the other network here. So let's try it. From PC0 in my network 1 to PC3 in my network 2. Okay, so again, so from my PC0 going to PC3 in my network 2. So you see the status is successful. So as you can see, routing is important in networking. So even if I have two different network or LAN connection, it can communicate with one device to my other end device. Sorry. So what do I learn from this activity, or what can I conclude with this activity? So I learned to configure a router and connect using DCE serial, add a module in a router to have a serial connection. So doing this activity is very helpful to me. So doing the routing, it is very important. Well, this activity, I can apply it to my current job as an IT specialist. So this is my activity exercise laboratory number 4. So it is a routing protocol and basic NAN configuration. So I hope you enjoy my activity. So bye bye.